Join me as I put the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum to the test and see if it really transforms my skin. Hi guys! Are you looking to get glass-like skin, minimize the size of your pores, reduce redness, or maybe brighten your skin and diminish hyperpigmentation? I know I am. Well, today I'm going to review a serum by a Korean brand called Beauty of Joseon. So stick around and let's get right into it. Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum has been making waves in the skincare world due to its unique blend of all-natural ingredients, including Propolis, Niacinamide, and 0.5% BHA. What sets this product apart is its potent formulation that targets dullness, hyperpigmentation, minimizes the size of pores, and controls inflammatory skin conditions. I know we've all been there, waking up with tired, dull-looking skin that lacks that glow. You're searching for that perfect product that works, but you still haven't found it yet. You're looking for something that targets dullness, hyperpigmentation, improves hydration, minimizes the size of your pores, but you haven't found it yet. I know I've had some of these issues, and I'm always on the hunt for effective solutions so that I can achieve radiant, healthy looking skin. We all know how frustrating it can be to try product after product only to be left feeling disappointed and disillusioned. But what if I told you that there is a product that can tackle all of your skin concerns? Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum is formulated with niacinamide, propolis, and BHA. This serum tackles hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores, increases hydration, and soothes inflammatory skin conditions, leaving you with healthy, glowing, glass-like looking skin. In addition to its impressive ingredient list, I have heard amazing things about this product and its ability to brighten the skin, soothe skin irritation, and diminish the size of enlarged pores. And what's best, it is suitable for all skin types and designed for enlarged pores and inflammatory skin conditions. Having struggled with enlarged pores in my T-zone area, I was really excited to try this product and see if it could address some of my skin concerns. Okay, enough talking. Now it's time to put Beauty of Joseon's Glow Serum to the test. Let's take a look at how it applies and see if it delivers on its promises. Beauty of Joseon's Glow Serum has a beautiful honey-like texture that absorbs seamlessly into the skin. I'm going to apply it to my face now, and let's see how it works its magic. Can you see the difference? My skin looks more radiant. This serum gives my skin a healthy lit from within glow. I have to say I'm impressed. So what did I think of Beauty of Joseon's Glow Serum? Well, I have to say that it delivered on its promises and exceeded my expectations in terms of application, texture, and overall performance. This serum can be used both day and night. I chose to use it during the day, alternating on different days during a 2-week period. During this time frame, I saw a reduction in pore size. My T-zone became less oily, my pores were decongested, and I did experience some brightening. At the end of the 2-week period, I ultimately decided to use the product only on my T-zone area because that's where I reaped most of the benefits. If you're like me and you have an oily T-zone with enlarged pores, this would be a good product for you. If you have enlarged pores in general or oily skin, this would also be a great option for you. If you are looking to get that glow and brighten your skin, this would also be a good option for you. If you struggled with enlarged pores like I have, I highly recommend that you give Beauty of Joseon's Glow Serum a try. And if you have any questions or want to share your skincare experiences, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more skincare reviews and demos. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my beauties. Bye.